He said, we know that the first verse was revealed, Iqra, bismi alladhi khalaq. But when we open the Holy Quran, we find that the Fatiha is the first surah. He wants to understand why this mix up in the order of the verses.
You see, this first verse was revealed to Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. That is the chronological order of the revelation of the Quran. So this is a great miracle of the Quran, that real order starts with Surah Al Fatiha and Bismillah, with Alif Lam Mim Zalikal Kitabu, and the entire surahs are well connected. On this you should read Tafsir Kabir, and also I have spoken in my darses many a time. The amazing miracle of the Quran is that each surah is connected with the next surah in the final verses as well as in other respects, and no continuity is broken anywhere. So it's amazing. Quranic revelation started with a different surah, and yet the connection continues between all surahs. And this was done according to Wahi. It was not done haphazardly. Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was told by Jibreel to place which surah in the beginning and which after that and which after that. So this is a miracle of the Quran which cannot be repeated or cannot be shown to have been repeated in any other book of Allah.